Welcome back to Khali Yoga Center online. My name is Ian. I'm one of the teachers and leaders here at Khali Yoga Center, and I'm working today with Carrie, another one of our awesome teachers, and we are going to break down Crescent Twist today, Parivrita Anjaneyasana. So let's start with Carrie in crescent lunge on the left side. And the general form of the pose is the left foot forward, bending the knee, and the right foot behind with her upper body twisting. And then the more specific alignment that she's working is the left foot is turned straight ahead, left knee stacked over the ankle at this 90-degree angle. Then the back foot, the heel is on top of the toes, and the leg is straight behind the right hip. And then with her upper body, she has the right elbow placed on top of the left thigh, and the palms pressed into center. The spine is extending straight forward out of the hips through the crown of the head. Now within the structure, there's a lot of action moving through the pose. So from the foundation, Carrie's pressing into her feet and pulling the legs into the hips. The hips are hugging into the center, creating this anchor at the base. And then from that base, she's extending through the spine, pulling forward. Then from the grounding, integrating, and lengthening, there's space for rotation here. So the rotation is happening in her shoulders and her rib cage, spinning the chest open. And some of that power is coming from the press of her palms together, lifting the sternum bone up toward the thumbs. So now let's talk about some of the places that we lose integration and the alignment starts to go a little wonky in crescent lunge. So Carrie, show us crescent lunge on the other side now. And often as people come into crescent twist, they'll go in and the shoulders kind of collapse and round forward. So to work with this, Carrie's going to press into the palms of her hands and then glide the shoulder blades together on the back, creating an integrating of the shoulder blades, and then that broadens across the front of the chest. Another place we lose alignment is in the back leg and the hip. So often the back leg will lose energy here and then the hips kind of droop down. So Carrie's going to pull the left thigh muscles into the bone and pull toward the hips. And it's all right for the left hip to move a bit into the twist as she goes, and there's still a strong press back through the center of the left heel, so the back leg is engaged, and then the twist can move forward and out. Now let's talk about ways to adapt crescent twist to fit your unique practice and how your body's feeling. So Carrie's going to take a crescent twist. This time she's going to bring her knee down to the ground. So the back knee comes to the earth, and then she can take her crescent twist from here. Another way to modify this is to use a block under the right hand inside of the left foot. And then she can press the left hand on top of the left thigh and use that grounding energy of the hand to rotate the chest open. Now, another way we can adapt the pose is to create some more expansion across the upper body. So Carrie's going to come into crescent twist. And from here, open the arms out wide. And she's still integrating with the lower body, pulling to the center. And then with the chest going forward and up, the natural expression of the arms open takes up even more space and a bigger shape. Good work, Carrie. Thanks for joining us here at Khali Yoga Center and exploring crescent twist with us today. Have an awesome practice.
Have an awesome practice, yeah?
Yeah, I mean, it's not bad. Yeah. Awesome work, Carrie. Thanks for joining us here at Khali Yoga Center and exploring crescent twist with us today.
We'll try that
Enjoy your
again.
practice. We'll see you on the mat.
Yeah.